What's up guys, I'm back, new video. Today we're going to be testing some good old food. Mountain Dew. Put some in a cup. Milk. Put the milk in your cup. Very nice. Chug on down. Oh, that's actually pretty bad. I bet you guys I can finish this if we get out there. Alright guys, I think this is the spot. Alright guys, next food, one Weet-Bix. It's a spaghetti. Oh, I don't want to do this. Next food is a Super Duper, because my mouth is just full of toxic shit. I don't want to bite through this, so I'm gonna have to cut her in the good old voice. Very nice. Flip. Do a flip. Do a flip. Try it. I'll show you how you open these. Very nice. Alright guys, that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, share this video, comment what you want down below for the next video. Hiya. Guys, next food, one Weet-Bix. Get down, get down.